Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that can help you transform your low quality logos into high quality. You can see that I have the FedEx logo and you can observe the poor quality it currently has. I want to enhance the quality of this logo. To begin this process, first open your Chrome browser and type here this text and hit enter. You will see an interface like this, and you can simply upload your image here. Click on this button and select the image that you want to enhance. You can see that after some processing, the quality of the image you uploaded has improved. On the left side, you have the original image you uploaded, and on the right side, you can see the enhanced image. The difference in quality is quite noticeable. At the top, you'll see a download button. Click on it to download the enhanced image. Click on this download button, where you can select the location where you want to save the file. Here, you'll find the logo. It says G format. You can use this file wherever you need it. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This way you'll stay updated on future videos like this. Thank you.